guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because I'm going to share to you the cheapest and most affordable Louis Vuitton bags. I'm going to combine it monogram and leather. You are going to enjoy this episode, guys. That is why make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Hi guys, we'll be presenting 25 most affordable Louis Vuitton bags, both monogram canvas and leather option. Plus for today's list, I will concentrate mainly on the new and latest releases by LV. This is just in case you have missed some of my vlogs regarding LV's latest new bags. All will be linked on the description box below. Happy shopping guys! Let us start first with top 25. So we have the newest Oxford bag. Price is $3,050 USD. The material of this one is green calf leather. It has LV turn lock closure. And guys, please take note, this is a good alternative to the pochette métis, and it comes in different colors as well. Next, we have, of course, top 24 pochette métis East-West. So this is the monogram Empreinte version. Price is $2,980 USD. I love the colorway of this one. The gold hardware really stands out, and we are going to see that it comes in two compartments with one zip compartment in the middle. Then top 23, we have of course the classic monogram version, pochette métis East-West. Price is $2,910 USD. Classic monogram canvas is the main part of the bag, and it has an untreated vachetta leather trims. Next, we have the latest bag, top 22 on the go East-West. Price is $2,860. So the main material is the giant monogram, and it also comes with the reverse monogram as well. So this doesn't come with a vachetta, and the new thing is it comes with zipper closure, as we could see here. Top 21, we have Hold Me bag. Price is $2,850 USD. Material is the quilted cowhide leather. This is a top handle bag with leather shoulder strap. It has two main compartments and one middle zip compartment, and the LV closure is magnetic type. We have the mini Clooney. Again, this is a new bag. Price is $2,840 USD. Material is epi leather. This is a top handle bag, and the strap it comes with is the canvas with the Louis Vuitton logo, one main compartment with zip compartment with magnetic lock closure. Another new bag, we have top 19 Sac Sport. Price only at $2,720 USD. As we could see here, it comes in three different colors. So material is monogram Empreinte leather. The top handle is fully adjustable. It has one main compartment, and I love that it comes with a mini pochette. Next, we have top 18 New Wave multi pochette. Price is $2,700 USD. Material is the quilted calf leather, magnetic lock closure. So guys, please take note, this is a smaller bag, so you have to be mindful of the things that you're going to bring. We have a main compartment, and it comes with a coin pouch as well. Number 17, Hide and Seek new bag. So price is $2,670 USD. This one, guys, I featured this previously, and it comes in different color. Material is epi leather. It is a top handle bag with one main compartment. Then we have number 16, Lock Me chain bag. Price is $2,670 USD. Material of this one is grained leather. It has the very beautiful Louis Vuitton twist lock closure, 4 grommets just like the Chanel flap, so you could adjust the shoulder straps length. Then another new bag, top 15 Tilt Sit. Price is $2,640 USD. Material is the monogram canvas with the reverse monogram flap. It also comes with the black leather trims. It is a top handle bag, one main compartment, and a slip pocket at the back. And then we have top 14 somewhere. Price is $2,030 USD. Material is the monogram canvas, and we're going to see lots of untreated vachetta leather trims with vachetta leather strap as well. It has a one main compartment and one main back pocket. Then top 13, very beautiful Speedy 20, price only at $2,030 USD. So this one now comes into the May Ebin canvas. We have the very beautiful red interior, one main compartment, and it has extended zipper closure with gold hardware. Very, very beautiful bag. Then we have top 12 mini bomb bag. Price is $2,030 USD. Main material is monogram canvas with vachetta leathers strap and chain strap. It has a leather crossbody, one main compartment, and zipper closure. Next, we have top 11, the very beautiful and new Nano Noé BB. Price only at $1,900 USD. Material is monogram canvas with vachetta crossbody strap. It also has leather top handle, one main compartment, and drawstring closure. Then new bag, we have Ivy Walk. So this is the monogram Empreinte leather version. This is the top 10. Price only at $1,900 USD. It comes with two straps. So one is an adjustable crossbody strap and one chain strap. So one main compartment with card slot with zip compartment in front. Then we have the very beautiful Neverfull BB. This is the top 9. Price only at $1,900 USD. Main material is monogram canvas with vachetta leather trim. The strap that it comes with is the canvas strap, and it comes with the coin pouch as well. Number 8, high-rise bomb bag. Price only at $1,850 USD. Main material is monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Guys, honestly, I am not a fan of this one. I feel that the strap, the canvas strap, doesn't go with this one. What do you think? Then top 7, Nano Alma, price at $1,820 USD. It comes in 4 different colors. The main material is epi leather. It comes with adjustable leather crossbody strap. It has silver hardware, zip closure, and one main compartment. Top 6, we have the Nano Noé, price only at $1,760. Main monogram canvas with vachetta leather trim, but it is pre-treated, which I am so in love with. It comes with top handle, crossbody bag. It has one main compartment with drawstring closure. Now, top 5. First, we have the Ivy wallet on chain. Price only at $1,760 USD. So guys, again, this is a wallet on chain, so you have to be very mindful of the things that you are carrying. So monogram, classic monogram with 2 straps, leather strap, and a chain strap. Top 4, we have the mini moon bag. This one, guys, I highly recommend. Price only at $1,730 USD. It is made of monogram Empreinte leather. This is a shoulder bag style. I love that the shoulder bag actually is adjustable, as you can see here. I also love the zip closure, and it has the LV logo in front. We have top 3, micro Chantilly. So price is $1,670 USD. So as you have seen on the mancha, this is a micro bag. It has main compartment, pre-treated vachetta. So you need to be mindful of the things that you're going to bring, maybe cards, lipstick, and keys. Then top 2, we have the Lily wallet on chain. This one, guys, I like better compared to the Ivy. Price is $1,670 USD. So the vachetta is very minimal, all monogram canvas, one main compartment with card slots, and they are bringing back the Louis Vuitton plaque like this with the Marc Jacobs era. What do you think? Top 1, easy pouch on strap, price only at $1,620 USD. It is made of monogram Empreinte leather. It comes with 2 straps, so we have the leather strap and chain strap. It has very beautiful gold hardware and one main compartment. Yay!
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, among the cheapest and most affordable Louis Vuitton bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any favorites? Are you adding anything to your wish list? I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay